na lang ako. Knock knock.
Who's there, Harry?
Met E.
Met E who?
Met E be the one to break it up, so you don't have to make excuses.
Met E be the one to break it up, so you don't have to make excuses.
Hi, honey!
Aray ko. Putang sakit!
Si Voldemort!
Saan tayo?
Luis, wait, San Pedro.
Nung kailangan mo? Don Pedro! Wag mo na! Wag mo na! Don Pedro! Ayaw pa na yung mamatay!
Pedro, baka naman pwede natin dahil sa usapan yan. Wala naman dito yung asawa ko. You know what I mean, eh?
Teka. Dali nga lang. Tignan ko yung book of life ko. Wala naman kayo dito eh. Iligtas kayo ng metal foam nyo.
Ha? Paano kami naligtas ng metal foam? Ano yung metal foam?
Simple lang yan.
Material scientists and engineers wanted to create a material that is as light as aluminum and stronger than stainless steel. As a result, metal foam was created. It is a solid metal with cellular structure that has a large volume of gas-filled pores, and aluminum is frequently used to acquire a greater strength-to-weight ratio. It has good compression strength and energy absorption, which makes it a good impact absorption material. But unlike many polymer foams, metal foams remain deformed after impact. The metal foam also possesses lightweight properties. It basically consists of aluminum with a very low density and are foamed together. Due to its gas-filled pores, the metal foam becomes highly porous, containing 75 to 95% void spaces of its total. The metal foam also exhibits high strength. Typically, it is stronger than a foam in terms of compression stress due to its metallic properties. It also has spherical voids that are bonded uniformly in its matrix all around it, which give it high strength. One method of manufacturing a metal foam is through the foaming of metallic melts using gas injection. It consists mainly of aluminum bar, salt, and argon gas. The aluminum bar is placed in a mold together with the salt. It is then put inside the furnace at a temperature ranging from the fusion point of aluminum and salt, 660 to 800 degrees Celsius. After 1.5 to 2 hours, argon gas is then injected to the mold for the foaming process. When the mold has cooled down, the solidified mixture is removed. Lastly, it is refined through vibration using a vibration equipment. The uniform distribution of the spherical voids accounts for the high impact absorption and high strength in the metal foam during car accidents. Metal foams are used in cars as bumpers. When a car collision happens, compressive stress is applied to the metal foam. The gas-filled pores became compressed first, serving as a clearance for the metal in order to deform, thus absorbing a higher compressive force as compared to a solid metal. As an illustration, when a car is running at 40 km/h and gets in a car accident, the passengers only feel 8 km/h during collision because of the metal foam.
Uy, buhay pa tayo? Buti na lang may metal foam.
Uy, ikaw Hermione, saan ka nang galing?
Ang init dun sa napuntahan ko eh. Eh, paano yun? Nandun pa si Voldemort. Tara, tumakas na lang tayo. Nandun naman si Professor Snape.